Today we're going to learn about the imperative collective. This is a very useful structure in English because we use it to make suggestions, give instructions, and make plans together, including the person who is speaking. First, remember that the imperative is used to give orders or instructions, like open the door or sit down. But today, we are going to focus on a special form called the imperative collective, which uses the word let's. We use let's plus verb to make suggestions that include you and me. For example, let's take the bus, let's go to the cinema, let's do our homework, let's make a cake. These sentences are not orders, they are friendly suggestions. The word let's comes from let us, but we almost always use the short form. It is important to remember that after let's, we use the base form of the verb without to. For example, let's eat, let's study, let's go, let's play. We do not say let's to go or let's going. This is a common mistake, so be careful. Now let's look at the negative form. If we want to say something is not a good idea, we use let's not plus verb. For example, let's not take the bus, let's not go to the cinema, let's not do our homework now, let's not make a cake today. This structure is very useful when we want to suggest avoiding something. We often use the imperative collective in daily conversations. For example, it's late, let's go home, it's sunny, let's go to the park, we are tired, let's sit down, we are hungry, let's eat something. These are simple and natural ways to speak. We can also use it when we are planning activities. For example, it's the weekend, let's watch a film, it's your birthday, let's have a party, it's cold, let's stay at home, it's hot, let's go swimming. These expressions help us make decisions together. Sometimes we use expressions with it. For example, don't worry, let's try again, well done, let's continue, it's difficult, but let's do it step by step. These phrases are common in class and everyday life. We can also use ordinal numbers when we give instructions with let's. For example, first, let's read the text. Second, let's answer the questions. Third, let's check the answers. Fourth, let's write a sentence. This helps us organize actions in order. Here are some more examples. Let's open the book. Let's listen to the teacher. Let's write the answers. Let's practice together. And in negative form, let's not talk now. Let's not forget our homework. Let's not make mistakes. Let's not be late. These are very useful in the classroom. To summarize, we use the imperative collective with let's to make suggestions and plans that include the speaker. We use let's plus verb for positive ideas and let's not plus verb for negative ideas. This structure helps us communicate in a friendly and cooperative way in English.